Hey, part two, everyone. So, first time it didn't work, and I guess that's how you learn how to do things, right? You try, and then it doesn't work. You try again until you succeed. So, what happened was I put the wires in the wrong place. So now I have the wires in the right place. The electricity plugged back in, and we're going to test it and see if that did the trick. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we got loop in here. There we go. Now it's caught. Now it should open up by itself. Okay. Well, starting capacitor works. Now we just gotta get it to catch on the track. There we go. Like brand new. And that's another episode of Patch It Up with Pat. See ya.